Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making sugar cookies. These are the best sugar cookies. I'm so excited for you guys to have this recipe. I used to have these all the time when I was younger, and my great-grandmother made them. So shout out to her for the recipe. It is so good, and I'm so excited for you to have them. It's really simple, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get right onto the video. This video probably won't be long today since it's a really simple cookie recipe, but it is totally worth a try, guys. So first I'm going to add 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cream those ingredients together. Next, in a separate bowl, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 2.5 cups of flour. Now I'm going to mix all of these wet ingredients up. This is what happens when Sophie cooks with flour. Also want to use a bigger bowl than I did for the flour mixture because this is lovely. Now I'm going to add the dry mixture in. Now that I added in the dry mixture, I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir. Now that this is all stirred together, I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes. This tastes good, by the way. Okay, so now that my dough is chilled, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and now I'm gonna form small balls along I chilled the dough for I would say more like an hour to an hour and 15 minutes just because I made dinner in between. So I was just letting you know.
I'm gonna have smaller bigger balls. But I know you need to be small enough to make 90.
Okay, so now that the dough is formed, this is about the size of each cookie I made. I could fit a lot onto there. And I have about 75 done right here, and it makes about 90, and so I still have a little bit of batter left. And what I'm gonna do is take confectioner sugar, put the back of my spoon in the confectioner sugar and press down, and this also keeps it from like coming up with the spoon. So I'll show y'all a few up closer. It's just like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and do all 75 of them. Okay, now that I'm done pressing them down, they should look like this. Okay, so the first batch is in the oven, and this is what they look like. I'm cooking it for 10 to 12 minutes, and then I'm gonna keep rotating until I cook all of the cookies. Okay, y'all, so they just got out of the oven, and they look so good. Hold on, let me switch the camera around. So these are the ones that just came out of the oven, and they turned out perfect, and they taste just like I remember them. And they are so good. So now I just read back the recipe, and I realized that I put 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and you're only supposed to have 2 teaspoons of vinegar. But honestly, like, the cookies don't taste any different to me, but like when you're making them, you might want to just go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of vinegar in them instead of 2 tablespoons, y'all. That was kind of crazy of me. I don't know why I did that. Side note, these cookies are so good with milk. I love them dipped in milk and stuff, and they're really good with it. So keep that in mind when you're making. Bye guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share this post. And I'll be back for more. And please comment down below what you would like to see me make next, because I love suggestions and everything. Bye.